everybody, and welcome to Engine Gremlin. We're going to be taking a classic car, codenamed Project Cinder, and turning it into a gorgeous daily driver with an emphasis on more power, reliability, and better handling. Along the way, we're going to detail the upgrades and build for the car, speak with industry professionals, and answer questions from the community. We're also going to go through the upgrades step by step so that hopefully you have the confidence to make your own resto-mod one day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can find us on Twitter, YouTube, and on Instagram. Also, please consider donating to our Patreon page. It helps us release regular content and helps us make the car that we've been dreaming to build. So here's a preview of what you can expect this year. Hi, I'm calling about the Camaro that you had listed for sale. Calling about the 1969 Mustang. Calling about the 1965 Impala. You had calling about the 1958 Plymouth Fury, 59 Plymouth Fury, the 1967 Camaro, the 1969 Chevelle, 1971 Mustang. 1971 Mustang. It's been sold. How many miles does it have on it currently? Does it run? Doesn't run. Do you know what's wrong with it? How much you want for it? Hey Dwayne, this is John. You had that old Mustang out in the barn. Anything ever happen with that car? Is that something you would ever have any interest in selling? You know, how much you'd want for it? Yeah, no, that's fantastic. Yes! I think I got a car. We're finally gonna get on the road and go get the car. We're gonna open up, we're gonna go see what we find, so. That doesn't look too bad. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Ooh! So this is a 1968 Mustang Coupe. First impressions, I like what I see. Probably gonna need the key. Oh, this is great. Something's been living here. It's not a house, it's a car. First impressions, I think that the car is in phenomenal shape for having sat here for 30 years. It's kind of a rat poop brown. Holy, oh my God. Oh my God. Nope, wrong. Let's back up. Blooper, blooper, blooper. Goodbye. Hey everybody, and thank you so much for watching this week's episode of Engine Gremlin. If you like what you saw and you like what we do, please consider liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. It helps us make better quality content and on a more regular basis. And I would really like to hire an editor someday. You can also find us on Twitter and Instagram. Links are down in the description. And please consider donating to our Patreon page. Like our YouTube channel, it helps us make better quality content on a regular basis. And ultimately, it's going to help us make a better quality car in the end. So, like I said, thank you guys so much again for watching this week's episode. I will see you guys next time.